There are several theories that attempt to explain the purpose and functions of sleep. Restoration theory. This theory suggests that sleep is necessary for the body to repair and restore itself. During sleep, the body has a chance to repair and replenish tissues, restore energy, and strengthen the immune system. Evolutionary theory. This theory posits that sleep evolved as a survival mechanism. Sleep serves to conserve energy and protect organisms from predators, as sleeping animals are less likely to attract attention. Information consolidation theory. This theory suggests that sleep plays a role in consolidating and processing information. During sleep, the brain processes and consolidates memories, improves learning and problem-solving abilities, and strengthens neural connections. Neural reorganization theory. This theory suggests that sleep helps to reorganize neural connections in the brain. During sleep, the brain prunes weak connections and strengthens important connections, which helps to improve brain efficiency and overall cognitive function. Energy conservation theory. This theory suggests that sleep conserves energy, allowing the body to divert energy towards other important functions like digestion, growth, and repair. Brain plasticity theory. This theory suggests that sleep is important for brain plasticity, which is the ability of the brain to change and adapt. During sleep, the brain undergoes structural and functional changes that allow for learning, memory consolidation, and adaptation to new experiences. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.